This brand is from Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International, and the units are made in Mexico. The units are available in the USA through dealers, but the warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of the unit, is not as good as other brands, as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. All of their units feature a baked-on polyester paint finished over galvanized steel to keep the units looking good for years to come. The brand features their MHT technology, which includes a specially designed fan shroud that pulls air evenly throughout the coil surface. The coil has rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow, and lanced coil fins increase surface contact between metal and air. The MHT technology ensures maximum heat transfer and efficiency while maintaining a compact unit footprint. The 4AC17L models are basic units with a 16.2 SEER efficiency, but the units are relatively noisy at about the same sound level as a typical hairdryer. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.